Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Norman Manley International Airport and we are going to show you the new look of the roundabout. Now they have removed the Air Jamaica sign from this roundabout and put in these new signs, the Norman Manley International Airport sign, which is the one you're looking at, and then they also put in a Kingston sign. Now, where that flagpole is where the Air Jamaica sign used to be. So guys, what do you think? Do you think they should put back the Air Jamaica sign or use the flagpole? Now this work, they have fixed up the roundabout, looks very nice, although it could do with some maintenance, but they are having a competition to get somebody to design these signs. They're not going to leave them white, they're going to paint them, but they are going through the process of finding someone to do it. So they're having a competition. But this is where the Air Jamaica sign was. It was the tail of the plane with the lovebird symbol on it. Now, a lot of people have asked for the sign to be put back. So guys, what do you think? But as it is now, the Jamaican flag is to replace the iconic Air Jamaica plain tail at the Norman Manley International Roundabout. Now the tail was removed last year as part of the roundabout rehabilitation project, and the tail was to have been put in a museum. It's going to be an exhibit in a museum. Although we're not sure which museum. If anybody knows, let us know. We'd love to make a video of the display. Now, a lot of people have contacted the airport about putting back the sign. But they said they are putting in a giant Jamaican flag. But after the flag goes up, they will reconsider or look into keeping the flag or putting back the, well, they said they'd look into it. So let's see what happens. And the chief executive officer of the airport said she hopes Jamaicans will be receptive to the Jamaican flag at the roundabout. And then she said they are having a design competition for the painting of the words NMIA and Kingston. So guys, what do you think? Do you think they should put back the Air Jamaica sign or put the flag? Now, at the very least, the Air Jamaica tail or the Air Jamaica sign does not belong in a museum. It belongs at the airport. Now, let's say they move it from this spot. They should find another spot at the airport because there is plenty of space to put up the sign so that people can park and go and take pictures with the sign. This is a very nice setup out here. I personally think they should have kept the Air Jamaica sign out here because they have another roundabout as you enter the airport where they have like 50 or 60 flagpoles. The Jamaican flag could easily be put at that spot. As a matter of fact, I think there is a Jamaican flag there now. They don't have any flags up now, but when they do fly them, I'm sure the Jamaican flag is displayed out there. But let's see what happens. And guys, if you think they should put back the Air Jamaica sign, leave a comment. Alright guys, tell us what you think. If the flag should stay here or they should put back the Air Jamaica sign. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.